Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the practicals from pharmaceutics 2. So in previous sessions we discussed about the incompatibility. There are total 3 types of incompatibility: physical, chemical and therapeutic. So now let's discuss about the chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients and a toxic or inactive product. It may be formed. The chemical incompatibility is of two types, that is, first one, tolerated and adjusted. In this the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in the dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. And second, that is adjusted. In this chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients with the another of equal therapeutic value. Then precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate formed due to the reaction between strong solutions may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed. So let's discuss in detail about method A and method B. Method A, which is for the diffusible precipitate: divide the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the two portions by slowly adding one to the other. Method B, in this case, which is for indiffusible precipitate: dissolve the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one portion, weigh a suitable quantity of compound tragacanth powder, that is 2 grams per 100 ml, and transfer in a mortar and use the part of second portion of the vehicle to produce the smooth mucilage. Then add the other reacting substances, mix the two portions by slowly adding one portion to the other. So now let's move towards actual experiment. So let's discuss about experiment number 19. Title of our today's experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1 is ferric chloride is compatible with iodides when an alkali citrate is present, because the ion is converted to an organic compound which does not yield the ferric ions. Learning objectives are to understand the oxidation of iodides with the ferric salts and the remedial measure to overcome this oxidation. Ability to prepare the mixture methodically to avoid the oxidation. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 67, that is equal to 0.15. This is the prescription given. Let's discuss in detail about the formula table. Here is a type, that is the use of ingredient. Then the translation means the name of ingredient. After that, the quantity given. Here is the quantities are given in the imperial system. Directly it is given in the metric system for 67 ml. And quantity taken in metric system for preparing 10 ml. So let's first discuss or see licorice ferric perchloride, which is used as an expectorant. The quantity given in the metric system is the 1 ml. So quantity taken in the metric system for preparing 10 ml, that is 0.149, which is calculated 0.149 ml, which is calculated according to the factor. Then potassium iodide, which is used as an oxidizing agent. Quantity given is a 2 gram, quantity taken is a 0.298 gram. Potassium citrate used as a systemic alkalizer, quantity given is a 4 gram, quantity taken 0.597 gram. Then water used as a vehicle, quantity given add up to the preparing 60 ml, and quantity taken in metric system, that is to prepare up to 10 ml. So now let's see about the direction. 15 ml to be taken 2 times a day as directed by physician. Stepwise procedure: weigh all the ingredients accurately, dissolve the potassium citrate in the 3/4 of the vehicle, add the solution of the ferric chloride and then potassium iodide, mix it well, and if necessary then filter it. Adjust the volume with the water. After that, transfer to a bottle, cork it, attach the prepared label and submit it. So use of preparation is a expectorant and systemic alkalizer. So result of this is the 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as store in a cool place. So now let's see, in this particular type of experiment we are seen the chemical incompatibility. In that, specially the alkaloidal salt with the soluble iodides, this type of incompatibility is seen in this particular type of formulation. And to overcome this particular type of incompatibility, we can use the method A, that means that is used for diffusible solids, by using proper shaking and proper mixing with the dividing the solvent in the two parts. By using such technique we can prepare the mixture, and after that by properly shaking and stirring, agitating, we can overcome this particular type of incompatibility, same as that of last experiment, previous experiment. In experiment number 89 we are seeing the alkaloidal salts type of chemical incompatibility. So same as that of in this particular experiment also we can overcome this incompatibility by using that method A. So thank you.